In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify opening soon. If you've set up your Shopify store and all you see on the front end is an opening soon page, it usually means your store is still locked behind a password or you haven't fully activated a plan. Let's walk through exactly how to fix that, step by step. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you see your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. From here, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings at the bottom. This opens a page with different options related to your store's configuration, like billing, domains, and plan details. Next, find and click on the section labeled Plan. Here, you need to check whether you've actually selected and activated a paid plan. If you're still on a trial without confirming a plan, Shopify will limit what visitors can see. If you see an option like Choose Plan, go ahead and select it. Then pick the lowest plan available, such as the basic starter plan. Follow the prompts to confirm it. Once your plan is active, your store is allowed to go live to the public. If you already have an active plan and you don't see a Choose Plan option, that's fine. In that case, the opening soon message is almost always caused by password protection. So, head back to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, click on Online Store. This will open the area where you manage your themes and front-end settings. At the top of this section, you'll see several tabs. Click on Preferences. Inside the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the section called Password Protection. This is what controls whether your storefront is visible to everyone or only to people who have the password. If the toggle is turned on, your store will show that Opening Soon or password page instead of your actual site. To fix this, simply click the toggle next to Password Protection to turn it off. Once you've done that, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Saving is important. If you don't save, your changes won't apply. After saving, visit your store's URL in a new tab or private window. You should now see your live storefront instead of the Opening Soon page, and your customers